Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x plus y is equals to 4 and xy is equals to 16, and we solve these two simultaneous equations and we get the values of x and y. So here first we will denote it by this equation is equation number 1, and we call that this is our equation number 2. So here we need to focus on equation number 1, and our equation number 1 is implies that here we move this x to the right hand side and we get the value of y is equals to 4 minus x, and we call this is our equation number 3. So here for the values of x and y we need to use this equation number 3 into equation number 2. So for using this equation in equation number 2, then equation number 2 is implies that this is x times y. We have the value of y is 4 minus x is equals to 16. And now further in the next step here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as we multiply this x separately on both of these two values, and it will becomes 4 times of x minus this is x times x becomes here x square, and this whole equation is equals to 16. So further in the next step we move all the terms from left hand side to the right hand side. So we move these two terms to the right hand side, and it will becomes here this is minus x square. When we move it into the right hand side it will becomes plus x square. This is plus 4x becomes minus 4x, and this is plus 16, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So now you see here after little bit simplification we will convert our given equation into the quadratic form of x variable. So here you know that there are many ways to solve this equation, and here we apply the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. So for this first we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 4, and c is equals to 16. And we state the quadratic formula as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula, and here we substitute all the values of a, b and c in this formula. After substituting all of values we will get here this is minus b. The value of b is minus 4 plus minus square root of b square. The value of b is minus 4 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 16, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. So further in the next step here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as after little bit simplifications we will get here minus times minus becomes plus 4 plus minus square root of minus 4 square becomes 16 minus this is 4 times of 16, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. Here you see that inside the square root sign we have 16 be the common term, so that we will be take common 16 from here, and we get the remaining values are 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2. So here you see that this is 4 plus minus. We know that when we apply square root on 16 it will becomes here 4 times of square root of 1 minus 4, and 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3, and it is divided by 2. After that here we need more simplifications, and we will obtain our x is equals to here we break this fraction, and it will be written as 4 divided by 2 plus minus 4 times of here you see that negative sign appears inside the square root sign, so this will becomes iota, and it is divided by 2. Okay, so here we need more simplifications, and we will obtain our x is equals to this is 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we get here 2 plus minus this is also 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we get here 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation. So for these two values of x we need to find the corresponding values of y. So for the values of y we need equation number 3 here, and equation number 3 is implies that this is y is equals to 4 minus x, and in this side we substitute the value of x is positive, it is 2 plus 2 times of square root of 3 into iota, and in this side we choose the negative value. It is 2 minus 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. So here we substitute both of these two values to the above equation and we get the corresponding values of y. So first we substitute this value of x here and it will become, so y is equals to, this is 4 minus x. The value of x is 2 plus 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. And here we multiply this negative sign on each of these values and it will becomes 4 minus 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. And from here we get y is equals to 4 minus 2 becomes 2 minus 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. This is the value of y. Corresponding to the value of x is this one. Okay. So in the same pattern we need to find the other pair of solution. So for this we choose this value of x and we substitute this value of x in this equation and we get our y is equals to 4 minus x. The value of x is 2 minus 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. Further we multiply this negative sign on each of these values and it will becomes 4 minus 2 plus 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. So we have y is equals to 4 minus 2 becomes 2 plus 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. So these are the other value of y. Corresponding to the value of x is this. Okay. So here in this question we will get there are two pair of solutions. So we write both of these two pair of solutions here so that the solution set of this problem is the first pair of solution is the value of x is this and value of y is this. So we make the order pair, so it will be written as 2 plus 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. This is the value of x and the value of y is 2 minus 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. So this is the first pair of solution which we get here. And in the same pattern the second pair of solution is, this is the value of x and this is the value of y. The second pair of solution is 2 minus 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. This is the value of x and corresponding value of y is 2 plus 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. So this is the second pair of solution which we get here in this method. So these are the two solutions of the given equation which we get here. So this is our final answer of this question and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.